Hi everyone, Julia here from the Curly Girl Creates. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable bunny. This bunny is made out of a wood block. It's got a little bunny tail in the back. He's very, very cute. These are the materials you're going to need. You're going to need a piece of wood, 2x4, cut to the size that you want. Paint, which I've already painted it to save time. I'm going to antique it, so if you want to antique it, you need some decorative glaze. You are going to need some type of nose. Now, I made this out of basswood. I cut it. This is a piece of wood that I cut with my Cricut, but you can use pink felt. Just make a bunny nose out of pink felt. You're also going to need white felt and another piece of pink felt for the ears. And what you're going to do is just draw an oval on the white felt and then draw a smaller oval on the pink felt. And I will give you the measurements when we make it. You're going to need some wire. You're going to need 2 pieces of white wire and some black wire. You're going to need some beads for the eyes, black beads. If not, you can just paint the eyes on with black paint. You're going to need a, these are called adhesive dots. They're foam dots that give the item dimension. And you're going to need a piece of ribbon. Okay, let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is I am going to antique it. That's how I got this nice finish. It just adds a little dimension to the bunny, gives it a little character. And this is Rust-Oleum decorative glaze. The color is Java brown. Let me get rid of these things first. This is a nice Easter project to do with the kids. Okay, so you're just going to take a little bit of glaze, just a tiny bit, and you're going to brush it on like that. And wipe it off. Okay, just like that. Okay. Okay, so while that's drying, let's move that aside. Doesn't take too long for that to dry. Okay, you're going to make your ears. So what I did was I cut an oval. The white is 4 inches long and the pink is 3 inches long. And then you take wire. You need 2 pieces of wire, both 8 inches long. You're going to make an oval with your wire, and this is so that the ears will be bendable. Okay, just like that. You're going to lay it on top of the white piece. Add some glue around. My glue gun's not working. Okay, sorry for that. My glue gun isn't working. Okay. All right, let's just give that time to heat up. So you're going to put your wire on top of the white piece, and you're going to glue it, and then put the second white piece on top of that, and then you're going to take your pink piece and put it right in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to do that for the other ear. Okay, just put that like that. Let's see if this is going on yet. Give it one more time. Okay, in the meantime, while my glue gun is warming up, you're going to take, these are your whiskers. So you need 6 pieces of wire. Each 4 inches long. You're going to take either a pencil or a dowel or something and just twirl it around like that. And that will make your curly whisker. You do that for each one. Can you see what I'm doing? Those are our whiskers. Okay, this should be hot now. Okay, and you're just going to lay that piece right on top, like that. Then you're going to take the pink piece and put it right in the middle. Okay, let's do the second one. Okay, so those are your bunny ears. Okay. Now we're going to take our block of wood and we're going to take our nose and we're going to glue one of these dots to the back. Now these dots come with an adhesive back, but I like to add glue just in case it comes apart. All right, so you're going to put your nose right in the center of the block. Okay, like that. You're going to take your beads. Now at this point, I'm using beads for the eyes, as you can see. If I didn't have beads, I would just draw or paint the eyes on with black paint. Okay, there's my eyes. And now I'm going to add the whiskers. So you're going to put 3 on either side, just like this. 1 at the top, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the bottom. Okay, so my whiskers are on. Okay. Now we're going to just put the ears on the top. So you're just going to make a little bend at the bottom of the ear. Put some glue there and glue it to the top of your block, like that. Okay, so there's your ears. Now we're going to make the bow. I have this little bow maker. It makes it very easy to make a bow. Okay, we're going to put that right at the between the ears. Like that. Okay. Then you're going to take a black marker and we're going to draw the mouth and the eyebrows. like that. Now, I made this little pom-pom out of yarn, and I'm going to attach that to the back. Just like that. Okay. And then I have this accent liner that I like to accent the nose and the eyes. It's just going to add a little dimension. I put little dots on the nose. Sorry, all that. For some reason, my glue is very stringy tonight. So I'm going to take a little of the accent liner, and I'm going to dab some white dots on the nose. Okay, I think I'll put some on the eyes. Okay, like that. Okay, and last but not least, I have an embellishment. I just think that's kind of cute to put the carrot on there. You could put whatever embellishment that you have. If you have an Easter egg. Okay, we're going to put that right like that. Okay, and there's your bunny. Okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can like me on Facebook or follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.